Modern Art Herniated Disc Edition. If you didn't watch my last video where I did the portraits, I explained that after I taught the art at Mo's class, I was cleaning up and I picked up my box of my spinner and paints, and it was a little heavy, and then all of a sudden I felt pain shooting down my arms. Thought it was a pinched nerve. Turns out we think it's a herniated disc in my middle upper back, so it affects my arms, my middle back. This happened almost a week and a half ago. This is the first time I've been down here. The reason I actually came down was because I got really inspired. I started shooting another video, so hopefully the video that really inspired me to get out of bed will be the next video, because it's gonna take a lot more work. And then I was sitting here thinking about the video I came down to do, and I just have these paints. I was like, you know what? I need to just paint, see if I can still do it. It's been really hard laying in bed and not painting. So obviously I can't blow. I can't stand for too long. So I guess I'm gonna use this little hair dryer. So this is the Flower Power hair dryer, Drew Barrymore. Now, we use it for Dutch pours. I think I've tried to use it for the bloom before and I didn't love it. I don't remember why, but at this point, I'm not even expecting anything pretty. I just want to play around with some paint for a few minutes while I have some energy. So that's what we're gonna do. Seated. And yeah, it feels like it hurts when I do that. And I can't laugh. Okay, anyways, doesn't matter. Let's talk about, so I was just sitting here, and you know, if you've seen behind the camera before, I have about 30 paints already mixed up. Now I haven't used them in a couple weeks. So I just picked a few colors that I thought might be fun. I'm gonna be using a deep base. I guess I can do purple, but I have purples in there, we'll see. Hold on, let's talk. Oh yeah, colors. How horrible is it to watch someone like in pain trying to do stuff? Like, worst video ever, doesn't matter. TLP Twinkle, which you can't see, but it's like a really beautiful violet interference color. So I have to hold here. Okay, this, I feel like I made this color, or it doesn't look a lot like, oh, or is it just phthalo turquoise and I added something to it? Like, it's really pretty, whatever this is. Let's pretend it's phthalo turquoise. I feel like it's a little deeper than phthalo turquoise, so I think I added something to it. Then we have TLP Bleeny, which is like this really pretty orangey color. Nope, okay. This is a color I made a long time ago, because I don't even know what it is, but I definitely added white to it. So it's like a pinky, you know what, actually maybe I didn't make it. It looks like a version of Amsterdam Caput Mortem, you know, that like dusty rose, but there's a little more purple in it. I'm just trying to give you like comparable paint colors. This is TLP Enchantment, really pretty. These lights don't pick up like the warmth of it, but it's like a really like pretty warm lilac color, okay? Now this is a color I made. I believe it's Van Dyke Brown, and I added black to it. So that's what I have going on. Now, so my cake spinner, because I couldn't take it out of my car, so it's still sitting in my car. So, and also like, screw that cake spinner, like hello. So anyways, I don't have a cake spinner, so we're tilting. And I don't really want to make a mess either. Isn't that funny? So maybe I'll just tilt it to a cup. I hope this video is not a disaster. I hope you'll stick with me. I don't know if we're gonna learn anything today, but at least I have your support watching me, right? I don't know, let's see. I'll be right back. Okay, I decided to add TLP Rose as well, because I felt like having a little pink. So, let's see how much I have, because I don't want too much pillow paint, because I don't want to have to stretch it out too much. So I have Sherwin-Williams Tricorn Black. I don't know if this is gonna be enough. And it's quite thick. This should be fine-ish. If I need any more, I can put more on the edges. All right, this is gonna be awesome. Okay, done. All right, let me take a little stick here. And I'm gonna go, yeah, should be fine. We'll just have to be patient. Things are taking me way longer than normal, you know? Okay, whatever. I'm getting impatient doing this. Okay, whatever. We'll figure it out. I know it's messy. Okay. Let's start the layering. I think I'm gonna use, is this Cell Activator? Hold on. Should I use, it is. Should I use Payne's Gray or white? I'll do Payne's Gray. I'm in a dark kind of mood. Okay. So we're gonna start, I didn't even think about layering or anything, aren't I funny? So I have 4 piggies, 3 tubies. Let's start with a piggy. Let's start with Bleeny. Okay. TLP Bleeny. Now, let's go with this custom violet. Okay. Let's go with TLP Rosé. Okay. Let's go with this custom brown black. Let's go with TLP Twinkle. Pretty colors, actually. I'll top it off with a little bit of this phthalo turquoisey blue. Okay, here we go. Oh, Lord. So I'm gonna put my Cell Activator down. I guess I'll do some sort of bloom viney situation. We'll see. I don't know what's gonna happen, guys. Okay, here we go. Wait, what? Come on, people. This just turned on. There we go. Okay. Okay, interesting. Normally, you would go in with and blow into here if you could bend your neck, which I cannot. So, there. Some cool cells happening. It definitely blows out much slower, so it is much more like when you do it, when Canella taught me with that tour, that's how slowly she blew it out. I really wish I could blow right in there. Hold on, maybe. Okay, I did that. Whoo, let me try. No pain, no gain. Okay, ready? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit for a minute. Interesting shapes and cells. Now, of course, I have to stretch it out, right? Which is gonna be interesting. So there's I really like this area here. I don't love the bottom area. So I'm actually gonna put more paint around the edges so I can easily tilt things off. This one's almost empty. Let's see what we got. Oh, this, no, I can't even open that. So I'm gonna put some of this purple around the edges. You won't even be able to see it. Okay, just so we can stretch it out. Okay, ready? I still don't know what we're doing yet, but I really like these colors. Okay. Now remember, when you tilt, things are gonna go wonky, so you have to be okay with that. You know? Okay, here we go. It doesn't want to move. I'm going really slow because it doesn't really want to move yet. So we'll just let gravity do its thing. Really slow. Okay, it's going. Going, going. These colors are really pretty. Okay. Okay. I'm really enjoying these colors. I'm gonna get it back to the middle and then we're gonna go down this corner right here. And I just wanna help it along a bit. You know, so I'm just like scooping up some of this paint, putting it down here so she doesn't have to like fight for her life. Don't mind my heavy breathing. Okay, we're going down slowly but surely. Take your time until you have no patience left. That's what I do, which happens often, but here we go. Just go right off the edge. There you go. Okay. You know, it's looking kind of cool. Okay, so let's go back and we're gonna go back a little to the middle and then go down this corner right here. I really, really enjoy this color palette, so I'm happy that I did it. And I hope it inspires you, even though it's not like a typical pour that I normally do. Sometimes you still just got to make the best. You know what? This is really cool and abstract, and I know it's not gonna be super popular, and I'm okay with that. Because I really enjoy these colors, and I actually do like these shapes. Okay, we're just gonna get that one corner off and then we're done. Yeah. So you're thinking, this is really pretty. You're thinking to yourself, this is nothing special. Why are you so excited? But like, you can't, you'll see why I like it when I bring it to the light. But I really, really think it's really pretty. And you know what? It would be really pretty on a really big piece of canvas. There's some really gorgeous, hold on, I'm gonna take my glove off for a second. Right here, I don't know, you can't even see my finger, hold on. Here is so beautiful. And then here, like the colors come together so beautifully. I'm really happy with this. I wanna do something more. You know what? I think I need to take a rest, a break, and then I'm gonna do something more. I'm really inspired by this. I hope you guys love this too, as much as I do. Okay, let me do a close up and stay tuned for something else. guess what? I showed it to my friends, Mitchell from Rain and Pores, Bree from Cool Breeze Art Studios, and Billy, owner of Fluid Art Company. They didn't like it. How dare they? They said, well, especially Mitchell, he doesn't like when I had this phthalo turquoise to everything. He says it ruins it, and he certainly did not like that light violet color. So I said, fine. I am going to replace it with this color. Oh, I forgot to figure out the name. I got this a while. Wait a minute. It's not that. Do you know what I think this is actually? This is Diox Purple, and then I added Triart Iridescent paint to it, and it makes it this like really pretty metallic. Okay, so there. This is just 12 inches, probably. I'm gonna use the hairdryer again, and I'm gonna blow out an actual, wait a minute, no. But you see, no, that won't work because I still need to stretch it out. If I had my cake spinner, which I refuse, it's being punished in my trunk. If I had it, I could spin it out and make a nice bloom, right? So how do we make, because I hate, how do I do it without wonkifying it too much? I don't think I can blow. Can I? Should I? Oh, I just got paint everywhere. Should I? I don't know. Okay, let's just do it. At this point, some more tricorn black. I'm gonna try not to put too much. It's very annoying. Not, oh, I saw a bloop. Not being able to do, okay, there was a few bloops in there, hold on. Not being able to do what you want to do because of any sort of limitations. But I guess you got to make what you have work, right? I did see a bloop here somewhere, but I guess we'll figure it out later. Now I'm just playing with the paint. Okay. So, fine, I am gonna do a bit, it will be like an abstract flower because we're gonna have to stretch her out, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna put too much paint already. We'll see. All right, it's gonna be an abstract flower. Deal with it, everybody. All right, hold on. Oh no, I gotta sneeze, it's gonna hurt. Achoo, achoo. 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 Sorry. Everything about that really hurt. Oh my God, I should cut that out, but I'm not going to. Okay, guys, because I can't sneeze, so I have to like do a weird sneeze. Oh God, that hurt. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. What a funny video this is. Okay, guys, are you ready? All right, what are we doing? Okay, I'm gonna start again. Like, I really like these colors. I mean, maybe I agree with the pink a little bit. So remember, I'm using, you know what? Maybe I'll still use it with that attachment, which will look kind of funny, but we don't care, right? Okay, TLP Bleeny. This custom metallic color. We're just gonna go for it at this point. Now I know, whatever, we're gonna use a little bit of this phthalo turquoise, just a bit. We don't want anyone to get upset with this. Okay, and then I'll do TLP Enchantment. Okay, now we're not going, oh, I have a lot of piggies and not enough, whatever, let's just go for it. TLP Rosé. We don't care, right? We just want to see sparkle. I guess I'm topping it off with TLP Twinkle. It's just gonna be like a pink and purple fest. Okay? Oh, I made a mistake. So you know what? We're gonna switch it up. So I didn't see this one. This was the custom black brown. So I'm actually gonna top it with that. And I'm gonna have to use white cell activator because we don't wanna do dark on top of dark. So luckily, I have white cell activator right here. Smelled it to make sure. It is in fact cell activator. Okay, I'm gonna mix. Okay, so let's get our dryer ready. So I'm really going to blow it very slow. That's the trick of this dryer. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Okay. I'm gonna go lighter, medium. Oh gosh, hold on. Ugh. That is quite pretty. Too bad I don't have a cake spinner to make it even better. Okay, I'm gonna blow, hold on. I have an old cake spinner here. You know what? I do have this 2-footer sitting right over there. I think I'm gonna go spin it, right? Because that's really pretty, what's happening. The colors, and this blue does look nice with it. All right, hold on. Colors, so pretty. I'm gonna do a close-up and then figure it out. Guess what? I found an old, kind of crusty spinner. Oh God, I didn't even move these out of the way. Wait a second. Isn't that pretty though? We're definitely doing another one. Okay, you know what? I really figured out the trick to this hairdryer, which is medium and really slow and pushing it, because it was really hard. I tried it for the bloom once and it wasn't, I should have put my gloves back on. It wasn't working great for me, but I think I figured it out. Okay. We're a little wonky in the middle because I did have it sit too long, but that's because I was just trying to figure out what I was gonna do. So I might pour over that again and do it again. Okay, let's see. Yeah, and you know what? I think I'll like it better with dark. Cell Activator. Let me sit for a minute. Okay. Okay, but we've got the, colors are so pretty. I don't love the shape anymore. But do I? Hold on. Let's spin one more time. But then we're doing it again because the original idea was good. I'm gonna put less paint, and again, it was a good blow. So, I mean, it's not bad. I'll do a close-up now of it stretched out. It looks like a pretty flower, you know, off to the side. You definitely could embellish it. I'll show you. Elliot's yelling at me because I'm down here. Okay. You know what? Normally I would trash this. Oh, he's yelling. Look, I want to embellish this after, and I never usually keep things to embellish, but look at with gold pen, okay? like a little stem here, and just making a little bit of petals. I really like it. This is definitely gonna bother me. I don't know how much I'm going to adjust it though. Just a little bit, because so it's not as, here, I'll go in. It's not as, this is hard to do holding everything, but we're gonna do it. Just making the illusion of a stem. Okay, don't judge it yet. We're just gonna go like this. Okay. I really, really like it though. Is it just because I haven't painted in a while and just the sparkles are making me so happy? Is that what it is? Okay. Okay, look. So, do you get my idea? Okay. Gold, stem, just a bit of leaves. Okay, I really want to do something else really quick, but I hope no one gets mad at me. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do the same thing, except I'm gonna do a double cell activator. I'm gonna put a little bit. Oh, there was a bloop. There's a huge bloop. Okay, I want to put a little bit. There was so many bloops in there. That was horrific. One moment. I'm going to do less paint, therefore less spinning. I want more negative space. Do I know where that bloop went? Not yet. We'll find it. Oh my God, so funny. By the way, on one of, you know how I love sharing my funny comments? On one video, someone said, and they were very kind, they said, I love your personality, but you just say bloop too much. I laughed so hard. And I said, sorry, bloop, bloop. I can't go anywhere. How else are people gonna know what to measure? It's literally a measuring system. You know what I mean? Okay. Gosh, Rue. Okay, now here we go. Taking a breath. Okay. What are we doing? I'm gonna start with this here. TLP Bleeny. Okay. Oh, there's little chunks in there, but that's fine. Oh, I remember I said I wasn't gonna put as much paint, but whatever. Okay, we have Bleeny. Now, should I do the exact same? I'm gonna do the same thing I did before, even though it was kind of a mistake. The custom metallic purple. Okay. And then I think I just loaded a bunch of piggies on top. Oh, you know what? I think I did blue in between. Let's do this. Enchantment. Okay. Then I'm going to do a bit of the blue, phthalo turquoise. Then I'm going to do rosé. This is a killer combo. Okay. And then maybe around the outside for fun, I'll do TLP Twinkle, right? It's just going to be a sparkle fest. Who doesn't love that? Let's move these guys out of the way. Okay. And good. Take a breather. I'm going to top it off with my custom brown black. Okay. And we're doing a double cell activator. So the tips for the Drew Barrymore Flower Blow Dryer, by the way, you can find it on my Amazon storefront, link in description, is angle and pushing and medium speed. You can't push too fast. Okay, we have white, we have Payne's gray. Let's see if I'm right. Okay, now what I am gonna, oh gosh, I'm gonna really want to blow in there, but I really like that idea. Ready? I'm gonna take a straw, which I hate doing, but we're gonna do it. You're gonna get really big cells in the middle. These colors are the bomb. These cells are cute. I am going to show you a close-up. One moment, please. Let's spin. Now I might take a skewer after and make some more petals. This is precisely, I see a blue, what I was looking for. So I'm pretty pleased with my life, and now I can get back into bed and be happy, feel fulfilled for the day. Let's just get these boublés out here. Okay. There's another buble here. Yes, so it's not easy the first try to use, because every different hair dryer has a different, you know what I mean? So at least I kind of can give you a good tip on how to use it. You know, I hope you agree that we like this. You know, I'm not knocking the first one. And I'm not admitting that Mitchell and Billy and Bree were right. By the way, please go, I'm gonna put their YouTubes in the description. Go follow them immediately, please. It would be the smartest thing that you do. They know everything about everything. See, I would never tell them in person, so don't tell them I said it, but just do it, trust me. This bubble keeps popping up, it's annoying. Okay, guys, listen. I mean, I can't complain, you know? I really cannot. I think she's pretty. There you have it. Okay, close-up time. Guys, did you like this video? Hopefully, oh, I'm sitting. Hopefully, keep your eyes open for the other next video that's gonna that inspired me. By the way, I might use my airbrush gun that I just got. Okay, bye. Here you are, just in comparison. Here she is. The other one's over there. I'll show you in a minute, but you know, she's still not bad. But yes, I can see like the pink, if you're not into pink, is a little much. Then here's this little lady. You know, still has that pink, but it's from that like purpley thing, so not as, you know, you want to go over. Let's go over. Oh God. Okay. And then here she is. I'm still gonna embellish her. Right? Don't want to waste pretties. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.